Bitter heart, tries to keep. Slow steps on this way, little whispers. I will let it comfort me. All my worries cease to be. Walk right to the morning light. See the shadows fade from sight. I will keep my vision bright. This is where I feel so right. Take a breath, let it gleam. Feel the warmth surrounding me. Watch the sun start to beam in a soft and peaceful dream. Soft, hold me close, and I have no fear. No pain, no tears to trace. I will stay in this embrace. Soft, no hesitation. All I ever want is. sitting next to me. A bottle on the sand. We take a sip so carefully, and watch the waves expand. We're drifting like a summer breeze.